Well, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Android phone before you sell it or something like that. So what you want to do is go to the top right, swipe down, go to Settings. Scroll on down to System and Updates on the bottom. Then look for an option called Reset. So let's go to Reset right here. And then we have three different options under here. We have Reset All Settings, we have Reset Network Settings, and then Reset Phone. So we want to go to Reset Phone right there and tap that. And then you're going to get an option on the bottom where it says Reset Phone, and your Google accounts are going to be listed under there. So you can see one of them on mine. And then this is going to erase all the information and all the data off your phone. So it's going to be like it's new. Now another thing that you can do is hold down the power button right here. Maybe you don't have the password. Hold down the power button and wait until it says power off. So let's go to power off right here and tap this. And when our phone is completely turned off now, on most Android phones, you'll just have the two volume up and down buttons and then power button. Now if you have a third button, you might have to press that Samsung if you have the Bixby button. But what we want to do is press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's do that. So these two buttons, and then you're going to see the name of your phone pop up on the screen. Wait until that goes away, then let go of the two buttons or three buttons that you're holding. And do it immediately, otherwise the phone's just going to restart. So once Honor goes away, I'm going to let go. And then we will be in the backup options. And we can reset our phone under here. So I'm going to let go. So if we forgot the phone PIN, password, etc., now use the volume key and then select with the power button. And go to where it says clear data right here. And then you can reset your phone through this method. So if you forgot the password, very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.